Home Depot, Lowe's, and your local plumber all sell water heaters, but after investigating all three, only one isn't overcharging you. If you're facing a water heater replacement, and we're talking tank water heaters here, not tankless, most of us will deal with this at some point since tank units only last 8 to 12 years. This could save you $1,000 or more. Start with the two places most people go first, Home Depot and Lowe's. These big box stores make it incredibly convenient. You walk in, you see rows of water heaters, 40 gallon, 50 gallon, whatever size you need. The prices look reasonable, and they'll even arrange installation for you. Here's what they're not telling you. The water heaters sold at these retail stores are not the same quality as what a licensed plumber installs. Whether the big box store is selling Rheem, A.O. Smith, or a house brand, you're getting a retail grade unit. We're talking plastic valves instead of metal ones, inferior anode rods, and lower insulation values. These cheaper components break down faster, and the gas control valves on retail units carry an unusually high failure rate compared to professional grade models. When something does break, the real headache kicks in. Repair parts for retail store models aren't stocked at plumbing supply houses, so you're waiting 2 to 3 days for a shipped part with no hot water in the meantime. A professional grade unit can typically be repaired the same day. On top of that, both Home Depot and Lowe's charge a premium of $300 to $1,000 over going directly to a local plumber. And that sticker price in the aisle doesn't include the permit, which averages $90 nationally, or the hookup kit, which can add another $150. And if your local code requires a thermal expansion tank, which many jurisdictions now do, that's another expense they won't mention until the installer shows up. Now, Costco is a different story. They actually offer surprisingly competitive installation pricing, with basic installs starting at just $159, and they give you a shop card worth $100 to $150 to offset the cost. That's genuinely a good deal on the labor side, but you're still getting a retail grade water heater with the same quality concerns, so better pricing, same product limitations. So where should you actually go? A reputable local licensed plumber, and here's why. Professional plumbers buy from supply houses that sell directly to licensed tradespeople. A water heater that costs you $1,000 at a big box store might cost a plumber $800 or less through their wholesale channels. Yes, plumbers mark up that cost, typically 50 to 75%, but that markup includes something critical: professional grade equipment. Take Bradford White as an example. This brand is sold exclusively to licensed contractors, is manufactured entirely in the United States at their factory in Middleville, Michigan, and the company has been employee-owned since 1992. When competitors' tank linings, that's the vitreous enamel coating, the glass lining bonded to the inside of the steel tank, test at 150 to 175 imperfections, Bradford White comes in at under 5. That's not a misprint. Under 5 imperfections. And beyond tank lining quality, look for specs like the first hour rating, which tells you how much hot water the unit can deliver in the first hour of use, and the uniform energy factor rating. These are the numbers that actually tell you what you're buying, and a good plumber will size the unit correctly for your household based on them. When you hire a reputable plumber, you get one warranty covering both parts and labor, someone who knows your local building codes, a unit that's properly sized for your home, and if something goes wrong years later, that same plumber can get repair parts immediately. One important warning though, watch out for bait and switch tactics. Some outfits will quote you $500 over the phone, then show up and suddenly discover a long list of additional repairs that push your bill to $1,500 or more. Get at least 2 or 3 written estimates and ask specifically what brand and model they're installing. Here's the bottom line. After factoring in hidden fees, inferior components, and the convenience premium, big box stores are the most expensive option for the least quality. Costco offers better pricing, but the same retail grade product. A reputable local plumber gives you professional grade equipment, a single point of accountability, and a total cost that often matches or beats the big box stores once you add everything up. Your water heater is something you depend on every single day, so spend your money where it actually counts. Please subscribe.